Look at my Ollie. He's home. You're such a pretty bird. Well, handsome bird because you're a boy. Huh? Are you a good boy? Come on. Step up. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Hello, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. How you doing, bud? How you doing, bud? Here, you want to come over here and play? Come on, step down. Good boy. I'm slowly introducing him and Molly. Molly kind of seen him for a second. I'm not sure how she's liking him. Come here, Molly girl. That's a good girl. Come over and meet your friend. Come and meet your friend. Molly, be a good girl. Be nice, Molly. I'm watching her very carefully. I'm going to do this very slowly. He's so much bigger than her, but she's a bossy little twerp. Aren't you? You're a bossy little twerp, Molly. Huh? You be nice. Oh, you just fell into the food bowl. Good girl, Molly. Good girl. You better not be going up that way to go be mean. Molly. Oh, he just flew over to his own cage and did the poopies. Good boy. Good boy, Ollie. Good boy, Ollie. Hi, Ollie. You're so cute. So that's him.